People of the Philippines, Twanta Fam proudly presents
Ako si Uncle Waza. Salamat po.
Ako si Hallie, mabuhay Pilipinas, mga work pa Lodi.
Ako si Paul.
Go!
That was very. I got it.
That's a hard one.
Nakakapag.
Nakakapag.
Nakakapag pagabag.
Nakakapag pabagabag.
One more time, I think.
Nakakapag.
Pronounce it like ah. Every A is ah.
Nakakapag pagabag.
Nakakapag. Pakakapag. Nakapag. Pakabag.
Nakakapag pabagabag.
Arugid!
Nakakapag pabagabag.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
Pito mo pot. Pito ng puting tutapa.
Pitong pot. Pintong potting tupa.
Pitong pot puting putang pata.
Pitong pot, pitong puting puta.
Means prostitute. That's what people usually say.
So what's 77 white prostitutes?
Yeah.
That was so wrong.
Pitong pot. Pitong puting tupa.
Yeah, you nailed it.
Yeah, I won't give it my day job yet as a translator.
Pitong pot, pitong puting tupa.
Pit omo pot. Pitong puting tupa.
Pitong pot, pitong puting tupa.
Yeah, great.
Mini kanik. Oh, wait, no. How do you say that?
Mini kaniko ni.
Mini kaniko ni Moniko ang makina. Ni Monica.
Yeah, smashed it, man.
Mini Keniko ni Moniko ang makina ni Monica.
Moniko ang makinia.
Mini kaniko ni Moniko ang makina ni Monica.
Yo, ini kaniko ni Monica, makina ni Monica.
Mini manino ni kani manikani.
Mini kaniko ni Monica ang makina ni Monica.
Baba.
Ba 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 ba.
Ba 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 ba.
Baba. Gaga. I don't know.
Ba.
Ba 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 ba.
Ba.
Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Ay, going there.
Ba ba ba.
Go down, man. Go down.
Baba is more like you're getting off a taxi or you're going down in the elevator, you're walking down the stairs rather than you're going down. But you could probably use it like that too. Like if you're about to fight someone, you could say Baba kana. Something like that.
Australia versus Filipinos in basketball. Baba.
Pasko Paksiw.
Pasko Paksiwa.
Pasko Paksiw.
Pasko Paski. Pasko Paksiw.
Whoa, you smashed it.
Pasko Paksiw. Pasko Paksiw.
Pasko Paksiw. Pasko Paksiw. Pasko Paksiw.
Pasko Paksiw.
Keep
Pasko
going.
Paksiw.
Yeah, and just keep going. Pasko Paksiw.
Pasko Paksiw. Pasko Paksiw.
Pasko Paksiw. Pasko Paksiw. Pasko Paksiw. Pasko Paksiw. Paksiw.
Petsu.
Paksiw.
Petsu to petsu.
How the hell did you learn this language so fast, man?
Pasko Paskiw. Pasko Paskiw.
Pasko Paksiw.
Pasko Paskiw. I can't say
Paksiw.
Paksiw.
Yes.
Pasko Paksiw.
Pasko Paksiw.
Pasko Paskiw. I can't even say it.
Palakan kaka kumakala kaba.
Palagang kaba kaba. What? What's that? Kumakande bak. I can't even say that.
Palakang kabak kumalalagabak.
Excellent.
Palakang keb kumakala bukab.
You got the last word right. Kumakalabukab.
Palakang kabkab, kumakalabugab.
What? Wait, say it again.
Palakang kabkab, kumakalabugab.
Palakang kab kab. Kanamagam.
Palakang kabkab.
Kab kab.
Kumakalabukab.
That's hard. Kumakalabukab.
Yep, nasa ito.
Palakang kabab. Kamalang kubab.
Palaka kaba kumakalakbaka. Cab. Oh, sorry. The last one is
Kumakalabukab.
Kumalalabukab.
Very good, Hase.
Oh, that was so hard.
Palakang kab kumalakala bukab.
kab
Yep.
kumakalakbaka. That's a hard one, man. Okay, so Palakan kabakab kumakalapakab.
Palakang kab kab kumakala bukab.
I don't know if you
I got
so
everyone wrong. Say hi.
Ang minamahal ko po, aking diwata.
Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin si Uncle Waza. Ayan, insert sound effect here. Yeah, palakpakan. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for Uncle Waza.
How you say sexy beast?
Sexy beast is, paano nyo sasabihin ang sexy beast sa Tagalog? Sexy na hayop? Sexy na hayop.
Sexy na hayop.
Ako si
Ako si
Uncle Waza.
Uncle Waza.
Yep. Ako si Uncle Waza. Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Yep. Ako si Uncle Waza. Salamat po.
Yeah, sorry, just tell me one time what we're concentrating
Ako si Uncle Waza. Salamat po.
on. Oh man, I'm going blank. I'm a C.
Ako si...
Aku si. Aku.
Yeah.
Okay, aku si Uncle Waza. Oh man, so aku si Uncle Waza. Salamat po.
You're beautiful, shine like the
Once fam,
sky.
shout out time dito sa Australia, everybody. Alright, una sa lahat, i-shoutout ko po si Ate Jacqueline dun sa Hugaban, Carigara, Leyte. Maraming salamat po sa panonood sa mga video namin ni Shanta. Next up, we have Larissa Almanzor. Next, we have Irene De Castro. Salamat po. From Bulacan. Next up, we have Estefani Morada. Ayan. Alright. Next up, si Ceci Charms or Kessie Charms, Ceci ata. Oh, Princess Anne pala ang pangalan. Next up, we have Adrian. Maraming salamat Adrian. Wala kang apelido dyan. Next up, Maya Ahmad. Salamat po, Miss Maya. James Lawrence. Maraming salamat po sa panonood dun sa Facebook. Nel Fuentes Vlog. Maraming salamat po sa suporta mo. Ipagpatuloy mo ang pagbablog. Si Jake Paulo Ramirez. And next we have Lara Kirstein Patron. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Celestina Tubil. Salamat po. John Michael Narit. Ayan, first comment dun sa post namin kanina. And last but not least, si Jericho Antonio Pasion or Pasion. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Abangan nyo po ang susunod na video namin dito sa Duante Channel. Bye-bye!
In the night sky, your loving is surreal, baby, let's fly. Through
eternity. Go wherever, wherever, you and I through whatever weather.
You're hotter than the sunshine in my